So we got an awesome one to do today. Yeah, I have never worked on this book. I've always wanted to get a copy of this book. I've looked, and I just can never find a good CPR candidate. Well, this is not my book. A gentleman sent me this book to work on, and I'm glad he did because it says 8.5 here, but this actually already looks better than 8.5. I think this thing looks every bit of at least a 9.2 right now. Now there's probably some kind of bend or something going on that's keeping it from getting higher than 8.5. I do see a decent tick right there, not too bad. But yeah, the spine's pretty clean on this from what I could tell. Sharp corners. Let's go ahead and crack it out of here and get going. Some kind of substance right here. Or could be the hint of a fingerprint right there. I don't think it's broke color, so hopefully I can clean that up a little bit. Little hint of a fingerprint. Spine looks excellent on this book. Just a couple color breaks here and there, nothing major. Not perfectly sharp, but not bad either. This book is I've probably read a few times. The spine can definitely be, there's several ticks here on the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A little bit of a tiniest hint of a crunch here at the top that I can take care of. Mega little corner right here. There's a little bend right across here that I can definitely take care of. Should be easy to do on a Bronze Age book on a white cover like this. There's something going on the edge here. You can see where there's a line of dirt there. Usually that indicates some kind of bend or crease. I don't think it's a crease, so I can clean that soiling up. Hopefully that takes care of that. Yeah, this is a White Pages book. I don't know what the guy was thinking giving it off-white to white. Look at that. I mean, maybe the slightest hint of darkening at the top, but that's a little nitpicky. This is White Pages right here. There's no tanning on the inner cover. Yeah, that was a little harsh. But I think our goal grade on this would be 9.4, maybe 9.2 at the worst, with an outside chance of 9.6. I think 9.4 is the grade on this book, though. Excited about this book. That's a significant jump on this book in value, going from 8.5 to 9.4. So, yeah, I think the first step here is just do some cleaning on it. There might be a slight little corner crease here. I just noticed. Maybe the slightest little color break there, but very, 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 very minor, and I can clean the bend up. It's not like a hard crease. And I think once I clean the bend up, that color break will be almost unnoticeable on it. This should be like a 4 or 5 step book. Probably over a 3-day period, I would guess. So let me get started. Time to turn off our press. It's almost all gone. Now there is a little bit of light right here, but I do not like fooling around with this yellow too much. Okay, that's working right there, so that's good. Because if you try to go more than that, you'll start pulling color. So folks, that is it for the cleaning for now. I'm going to get this thing in the press. Of course, all the method I use for pressing, whatever the current one is, will be on my website in the cleaning and pressing community that I am a part of and started. I guess I'm the founder of improvecollecting.com if you want more information on that. So the first press is done. It's the next day. So let's go ahead and get this thing out of here. I put her in the in my clamshell press. And yes, let's see what it looks like under here. Looking pretty good. This book didn't have a whole lot wrong with it anyway. But you know, Definitely see a little bit of improvement though. It didn't really need that much improvement though, did it? Yeah, a couple of those little bends where there was this tiniest little crease, those are flat now. I don't really see a whole lot of repairs that need to be done except for the spine. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do the spine repair. Any little tiny repairs I need to do here or there, go ahead and knock that out. And man, that might be it. I might be able to put it in the final press after that and send her off to CGC. I'm very, very light pressure. I'm not pushing down at all. I'm going to go ahead and throw this in the next press because I think that's all the repairs we needed to do. And we'll continue on. So it's out of the press. And so we've done the cleaning, the initial press, the repairs, and then another press. So let's just take a look and see where we're at on it. Looks like the ticks have held up pretty good as far as the repairs. Looks like a couple spots I could maybe touch up a little bit. The book looks great. I mean, looks really good. Okay, so really all I'm going to do is touch up these 3 areas on the spine, look the book over, make sure I didn't miss anything, and throw it in the final press and send this thing off to CGC. Okay, the book is out of the final press and everything looks great. There's really nothing else to do to the book. I'm going to send this off to CGC today. Unlimited values are taking about 10 days, so it should be back soon. I'll wait to finish this video when we can reveal the grade, and we'll see together how we did. Hello everybody, the book is back from CGC. I've already revealed the grade in an unboxing, but for the purposes of this video, I want to go ahead and reveal the grade. Wait for it. Wait for it. Yes, 9.4. All of that work paid off. And yeah, very happy for the gentleman that owns this book. To go from 8.5 to 9.4 is huge on this book. I mean, I think that's going from a $3,000 or $4,000 book to a $10,000 or $11,000 book. So yeah, very happy for the result. So if you want to learn more about what I do, and I have a community of cleaners and pressers that I started. So yeah, all the methods and everything that I use are in that community in the form of courses. So if you want to check that out, go to improvecollecting.com. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.